What's up YouTube, it's Hellcat J. Today I got my Durango up in the air. We're gonna be doing some side skirts. Very simple installation. I laid them down on my velour blanket that I randomly found somewhere. Basically all you gotta do, I'll link the kit in the description. All you gotta do is put the little flat screws in there, not the ones with the tip. There's exactly 8, and then line it up to the side of the car, and then we lined it up, and I'm gonna have to chop the front. So I'm gonna do the exact same intervals on the front and the back. I mean, on the right and the left, and yeah, that'll be it. And then you just go underneath the frame of the car, and then just bolt up to the underbody, and then leave space for the pinch weld so you can still jack up the car, and that's it. So I'll show you guys intro how it's going, and then at the end finished product. Okay guys, so basically I made a line over where I'm gonna cut it, and basically I'm taking my circular saw and just doing one continuous straight line. Always wear eye protection. I just felt like 50 bits hit me in the face. So basically, I got the first side done. I'm just gonna show you quick little details of that. Right? So the kit only came with 15 screws for each side, but I put way more than that just to close gaps. And basically, okay, so let me show you guys what I did here real quick. I basically lined it up flush to the back, and then we lined it up flush to the front, and then what we did was we took a tape measure and measured this space so that it was equal. I would say this is a 2-man, best 3-man job, because it'll help you adjust and put it where you want it. Now let me show you guys how I did underneath. So I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but you know, screws all the way down. And the main thing you want to check is that it's solid to the touch. Like it feels like it's not going anywhere. You know, you're gonna see little gaps pop up in the creases in here, so I just took some extra self tappers that I had, and I closed the gaps, and it turned out really nice. So that's it. And from the front of the car, it's gonna look sick once I finally get my front bumper in to match. But yeah, that's the effect. Okay YouTube, so there's the finished product of the Durango after putting in the eBay side skirts. I think it came out pretty fucking dope. Yeah man, you can see it's nice and even. I closed all the gaps. On this side I put probably a screw, like, let me show you guys, like every 2 inches or so. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there it is. You can see how many screws I put. The kit doesn't come with that many, but I put that much just to have it rock solid. Like, this shit isn't going nowhere no matter how fast I go. I'll have to reinforce the other side. Let me show you the effect from here. Yeah man, I'm really liking that. Like, damn, that looks sick when the front bumper comes in. Hell yeah, dude. Other side. From the back. Three-quarter. It's pretty fire. What a nice effect, man. What a nice effect. Simple little mod. 2 bikies sitting here. Ducati Super Sport 950S, 89 Sportster 800, 883 or whatever. But alright YouTube, as always, there's more content. I had a blast at the drag strip last week. I'll probably go back the first week of May. Let's see if we can beat our times. I'm probably gonna order all the power mods already. I'll probably do 1 or 2 more sessions at the strip stock to see if I can get into the 10-second range. That's really my goal, to be 10 seconds. Even high 10s, like 10.9, 10.99, I wouldn't even care. But yeah, that's my goal. All right, guys. I'll catch you later. Hellcat J signing out. And today we're going to be doing the next mod. Basically a simple lip kit that I bought from eBay. I think it was like 175. It came with side skirts, a front lip. All Durangos usually come with these, I don't know, flaps here, these mud flaps. We actually cut them off with a Dremel in order to give space for the side piece of the side skirt. Now this particular kit is like custom fit to your car. So what you do is you center it and then you kind of match up here, and then you can kind of adjust how long, how short, but that's basically the gist of it. And then once our plan is, we're gonna do the side first, mount up one bolt right here by the wheel well so we can kind of pivot, so we can get the proper angle that we need. And then once we do that, we're gonna attach the middle pieces. All right, YouTube, so we got it mocked up. Come on over, let me show you what I did. So what we did is we made sure the center was completely straight. We made, this center line, and it actually just happens that these two pieces here lined up perfectly with the racing thread. So then we just pivoted on each side. We tried to make the gap on each end. Drilled in from underneath with all the self-tappers, and then we put one black screw through the top of here. And that's how she came out, guys. Pretty nice, man. I like it. And that's just another simple little mod. So it's still cold out here in Jersey. Another month, the weather should be breaking. As you can see, my D35 over down yonder. That's the main project for this year. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. There's more coming. Please like, follow, subscribe. Thanks.